Hi my friends, I am going to show you today, just a moment. Hi friends, I am going to show you how you are going to be working through your slides today. Some of you have already started on them and that's fine. I just want to go through and talk about a few things to be careful of and to watch for. So we've written these on our papers and now we're going to do it on a Google slide. And if you notice, they have some of the parts filled in for you. So it's 43 times 6. They have already done your 6 times 40 and your 3 times 6 here, and they've already moved it over here for partial products. All you have to do is put your answers here where the question marks are. Notice that this pink box goes to this pink box. It's the same thing. 40 times 6, 40 times 6. As you keep clicking through your slides, though, now you have to write the problem here and the answer. Now to do that, just remember you just click right in there, erase the question mark, and just type in your answer. So everywhere that you have it, you just click on it, and it gives you your text box, and you just erase it and type your answer. And remember, if you make a mistake, all you have to do is hit your undo button. And then as we keep going, you notice now you don't have the problem here on the side. You have to write your problem here, here, and move your answers over here to get your final answer. And then now you have to fill out your expanded form and what you multiply it by. So each slide you get less and less support to where you are filling it out on your own. And then if you finish early, you can, remember it says click present, so you click present, and then you can hit play to watch this. And then there are some practice websites here if you finish all of this and have extra time. So that's what we are going to be working on today. Some of you will have 2-digit numbers and some of you will have 3-digit numbers.